You know, the fact is that you're just filing this petition, but what sort of support are you getting from the film industry? Because
I'm not
the fact
looking
is,
for support from the industry.
because it's a very fragmented industry.
I'm not
no
looking
one
for
supports the
I'm
other
not
person.
looking for support from the industry.
You tend to do it, but you're the lone man.
See, I am fighting my battle. I've always fought my battle by myself. I fought for Black Friday by myself. I didn't get any support. We fought for all our movies by ourselves. So I'm not looking for support. I'm saying, why is it that if I have to fight for something I believe in, something that I feel is justified, why should I need support in a democracy? My constitution allows me to live and breathe as an individual. So why is it that when I have to fight, I have to collect a group of people to fight? And I don't have a problem standing alone and fighting.
But still, the fact is that if you're calling it an industry, and if a lot of people are coming together, I'm sure that it definitely
I'll be
helps.
very happy if people come and stand with me.
But as you mentioned that in the last minute, if someone just कोई केस डाल देता है और फिल्म की आप स्क्रीनिंग आप रुकवा दीजिए, रामलीला के साथ में रिसेंटली हुआ है,
बहुत ही अनफेयर हुआ जो
आरक्षण फिल्म का बिजनेस
आरक्षण के बाद जो है कोर्ट ने एक पूरा लॉ पास किया था, बिकॉज उसमें था कि आप जो है ज्यूरिसडिक्शन को कंफ्यूज ना करें. हेल्थ मिनिस्ट्री एक्चुअली शुड नॉट हैव एनी रोल टू प्ले इन व्हाट सीबीएफसी डिसाइड्स टू डू.
राइट, बट रामलीला के साथ में लास्ट मिनट तक था कि रिलीज होगी नहीं होगी.
हाँ, तो वो जो भी था वो बहुत अनफेयर था. रामलीला के साथ जो हुआ बहुत अनफेयर हुआ. मतलब इस तरह की चीज़ अगर एंटरटेन कोई करेगा, हाँ, तो फिर कोई मायना नहीं है ना. फिर सीबीएफसी का मतलब ही नहीं है. ये कोई एक बॉडी आप बनाते हो, उस बॉडी का पर्पस है और उस बॉडी की जिम्मेदारी है, वो एक चीज़ देखते हैं और उनको जो सही लगता है वो करते हैं. वो आपको सर्टिफिकेशन देते हैं. उसके बावजूद 5 लोग अगर खड़े होके उसमें इंटरफेयर कर सकते हैं, तो फिर इस बॉडी का मतलब क्या है? हमारी कंट्री में उस तरह की क्लियर डेफिनेशन होनी जरूरी, जो कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में है. हम उसको अप्लाई नहीं करते, हमारी एप्लीकेशन में नहीं है. हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में सारे राइट्स बहुत क्लियरली डिफाइंड है, लेकिन हमारे एप्लीकेशन में नहीं है, बिकॉज हर चीज़ जो है बहुत ही पॉलिटिकली मोटिवेटेड होती है और हर चीज़ में एक पॉलिटिकल एजेंडा होता है और इंटरेस्ट होता है, जिसकी वजह से बहुत सारी चीज़ें मैनिपुलेट होती हैं. और मैं नहीं चाहूँगा कि मैं उस मैनिपुलेशन का विक्टिम बनूँ या हिस्सा बनूँ.
Okay, fine. And how confident are you that you get your way?
See, I'm a firm believer in Constitution. I also know that a lot of things in the Constitution are never put in application. I'm a firm believer of democracy, and I also know that a lot of democratic rights are always abused and exploited. But I believe in Supreme Court, and I believe that if there is a thing that I can take it and fight there would be justice at the end of it.
You're talking about Supreme Court, but people after the entire this Article 377 thing, the way it has happened, people have second thoughts about the Supreme Court as well, because if they can come with a regressive
what Supreme Court
like
has done with Article 377,
they can have things about the smoking thing as well.
If they do,
because
I'll fight against
the problem in this country is that people do everything behind doors.
Yeah,
they are just afraid to admit it in
I'll tell you, there
broad
is
daylight.
going to be a fight. Article 377 जो हाई कोर्ट ने जिस चीज़ को प्रैक्टिस में लाया था, सडनली वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट आकर के बोलता है कि नहीं, देयर इज अ क्रिमिनलाइजेशन ऑफ होमोसेक्सुअलिटी एंड ऑल द अदर अननेचुरल सेक्सुअल थिंग्स. आई एम कंप्लीटली आई डोंट बिलीव इन दैट डिसीजन, एंड आई थिंक वन शुड फाइट दैट डिसीजन, एंड वन शुड फाइट दैट डिसीजन, and we will fight that decision. My duty is to take it till the Supreme Court.
Right.
I'm saying after Supreme Court decides against it and you feel Supreme Court has been unjustified, then we come and we protest against it. You protest against it. You pressurize to change the law. You pressurize people to think, rethink, and to change the law about it. Supreme Court did a very evasive thing by putting the ball back in the court of the parliament.
Right.
Right? Because, so when they do that, everybody sees through that. There's not an individual who can't see through that decision. So I believe by one decision does not take my faith away from our constitution and our Supreme Court.
It
does not take it away.
Fair enough. But don't you agree that the fact of the matter is that the film industry is a very, very soft target? The amount of reach that Hindi films has is mind-blowing. There are so many people across the world who know about India because of the Hindi films. Yeah. Okay, but the fact is that be it the parliamentarians, be it generally, it is treated in a very frivolous manner. You know, it's treated lightly. यार आपको experiment करना है तो आप ये इसमें आप फिल्मों में आप घुसा
दें. We have to start taking ourselves seriously to force the government and other institutions to take us seriously. I get very upset. I get very bothered by the way politicians use and abuse us, and they look at us.
Right.
They don't even have to do much to use and abuse us. We get used and abused because we don't ever stand up for our rights. We are fragmented, and which is why it becomes easy to manipulate us. But the thing is, as an industry, whatever anybody might think of, as an individual, I know my rights and I'll fight for them. I don't want to be part of any group. They want to manipulate the industry, they're welcome to do that. If the industry wants to be manipulated, it's their choice. But I will stand on my own and I will say that I'm not going to be manipulated. I refuse to be manipulated and I will fight for what I believe in. I've always done that and I'll again and again do that.